Today I am making turkey wings, but it's gonna be done a special way. It has some paprika here, 2 bay leaves, that's my own seasoning blend right there, pepper, vinegar, because I'm gonna boil it first, 1 clove of garlic, then you're gonna need that there, some herb seasoning, the classic stuffing, you're gonna need that. Stick around and I'm gonna show you what we do with that. Okay, now what you're gonna classic stuffing, you're gonna need that. Stick around and I'm gonna show you what we do with that. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you have to wash, please wash your meat, wash, and then wash your turkey wings and place them in a pot with some water. Okay, you're gonna place your bay leaf, peppers, leave the seeds and stuff up in there. You ain't gonna eat these. It's your garlic. I got 4 cloves of garlic. My seasoning blend. Don't have to worry about putting salt in there right now because I got it all in here. Might not use it all at one time. It may look like a lot, but it's not. It's not a lot of salt in this. Okay. I'm gonna paprika. I'm not gonna use too much of these. Wait a minute, y'all. Okay, there we go. Hold on. Well, you move. Well, everybody, I can just eyeball it. And we're gonna pour some apple cider vinegar. Y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see that. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see that. Let me pour that up in here. You don't need much of that either. This is make it tender. Okay? I might not need all that. Just a little bit. It's not gonna harm nothing. And let it boil. Be back. And the next step is this is some herb season, as we had showed y'all. Okay. I'm about to calm this up. We got a blender. I don't feel like washing it. I ain't got them. Plus it clog our blender up, so I'm just gonna get hood with this, y'all. Use a cup. But we got a blender though. I want to make sure I just get all, make sure it's good and firm. I mean, you know, y'all get what I'm saying. I'm gonna get every little pieces. That thing's looking better than the blender. Yeah. We so hood with this. We so hood with this. Oh yeah. See? That's good. Just a little bit more to go. And yeah. We'll be back. Yeah, and we will be back. And I'm about to finish doing the rest of this. Bake you a potato. Bake, bake, bake. We're gonna take the inside out. Okay. Because we're going to be using this. Get that one out of there. I hate that. You know, that's not going to get it for me. might can just use, yep, can just use my hand. I would have boiled them. I try to get around it and boil them first. It's not gonna taste right. I have tried to taste it. The way I'm gonna do it, I suggest you to bake it. Coming out a little hard though. That's alright, just throw some butter on it. But I'm gonna mix this up, I'll be right back. I'm gonna finish this up. Okay, now you guys, we're gonna debone this turkey. Once you let it boil for about an hour to 2 hours, you're gonna go ahead, take it out and everything and let it cool off. Then you're gonna debone this turkey. You're gonna take this part off. Okay, now you can buy them like this, but I had the whole wing, so I'm gonna deal with it like this. But you're gonna debone it, you're gonna take the skin and everything off of it. And you're gonna take your turkey. Cut that on the, no. Put that on up in there. Try to move as fast as I can. I got the flour here so I can put some of that up now. And another thing you guys need to know is do not add no butter, sour cream, and all that. Anything to make your mashed potatoes, anything to make your mashed potatoes real creamy, don't do it because it will fall apart on you. Trust me. It'll be too creamy. You want your potatoes to be firm. For when you get ready to mold this bone over here. Now, might not need all this for that, but something I had. Trying to get off as much as I can with my hand, but you might not need all that. But you get off as much meat as you can. Give me a second. I'm gonna get off the rest of this and I'll be right back. And we're back. Had to clean that bone, y'all. How y'all want it? Can you see that? Can you see that, baby?
Mm-hmm. I can see it.
Okay. Go ahead and throw some garlic salt. Now, once I use garlic salt or some seasoned salt or something like that, I don't use no extra salt. That's doing just too much. But you're going to put that on up now. Now, like I say, I eyeball a lot of my stuff. So I can't tell you how much to put, how much not to put. But I boiled it with garlic, so I ain't going to use so much. I got some lemon pepper. Put me some more. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. And we got some flour. Now you ain't gonna need all this flour. I'm just doing one of these legs. Of course I got more. This is just to help with the firmness. Okay. We ain't gonna need much of it. And you're gonna stir it up. If I can, I might have should got me a bigger bowl, y'all. Yep, should got me a bigger bowl. Yep, should got me a bigger bowl. Had to go with a bigger ball. I mean, bigger ball, bigger. All right, we're gonna put that on up and on. I know y'all like, what T got on her? What she got going on? Yeah, y'all about to see. In just a minute. Get that up a little bit. Yeah, okay. All right, now we about to do something with this, okay? Y'all ready? You ready? You're gonna firm that right on up there. Yeah, y'all ready to dig up in that, ain't you? Slap some more on there. Y'all see that? Look like a whole turkey leg, don't it? Hey. All right. Y'all ready for the next step? Get that on up in there real good. Okay. See it? I'm dipping it out for you. I know y'all wanna know what that is. Say, that's egg, milk, and soy sauce. Egg, milk, and soy sauce. Gonna put it on over here. Drop it there. You heard me? Let me see if I can get you. I should have put that in something there. But I'm gonna do just like this here. Make sure you get that all around. Oh. All right. See that? Slap that joker right on over there. And guess what I'm gonna get ready to do with that? I'm about to get ready to fry it. All right, you guys, this is the other one. I'm doing for Sharinda. She wants some cheese in hers, so I'm just gonna add a little cheese to this. Okay, y'all see that? A lot of cheese on it. Look,
That's good right there.
That's good right there.
Yeah.
Go ahead and get that on up there. Yeah. I'm trying to do it quickly. Get that little ball going right there. I think I got it. Yep. Do this right. Take it. Oh, let me put this. This is fun too. This is fun too. Go ahead, lay that on out there like that. That gonna be cheesy. I should have did mine like this.
It smells good too. Already.
I know it. Yep. Slap, slap, slap. Your booty on. Okay. Yep. Well, you gonna enjoy this one. Look at that. That joker gonna be huge. You gonna enjoy this. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, look at the little bit. It's coming out all right. Ooh, ooh.
Oh.
Now that's a turkey leg. Look at that. All right now. Put that batter on me. Put that batter in that thing, and then you're gonna go ahead. Ooh, that's a turkey leg. Can't go. Ooh, don't you? My
That's
baby.
all right. That's all right.
Ooh, don't you fall off it off. Wait a minute. I got the firm and it went everywhere. I don't like that. And it's coming up. I don't like that. I'm finishing up, y'all. I had a little accident. I gotta be careful with this one here. This one's big. I got something for it though. Some hot grease. But this is all you guys gonna do. And then you're gonna put it in some grease and fry it and watch it. Don't burn it. Try not to burn it. I might burn this. I hope I don't.
You better not burn my turkey leg.
Yep. But I'm gonna get it right. It's trying to bust open, but I'm gonna get it right I'm gonna get it right. It's gonna be right. See y'all when we get ready to eat.